We work on a very unique thing, which is like we work on tiny aerial robots which can do autonomy at scales which are not thought possible before. The eventual goal is to go to the size of a bee, which can do everything autonomously to pollinate flowers, fly at high speeds to find survivors and things like that.
Robotics is changing the world. It is having huge societal impact. That's something I want to work in. That's what I love about it, that the fact that it's difficult and that it also has huge impact when you get the results.
We basically want to save lives. We know that we can send a swarm of thousands of these small, tiny aerial robots, which can do that. And this is the first step to getting there. The goal is to fly at 60 miles per hour in a forest. And that is hard. So the first thing I did was, okay, let me order a Vicon system. We are using 14 Vero V2.2 cameras. We integrate it with like both ROS1 and also just like pure Python and C++ code.
So your position updates need to be really quick and accurate, because even a millimeter of error can be drastic for a very small robot. That's what I like about this system, that it's accurate and it's very fast.
So what we are going to show today is we will have a drone flying in our motion capture system. The camera is mimicked using our real-time rendering system. Those simulated frames go into our obstacle avoidance algorithm and we send back control commands to the drone.
Right now we are flying only with one drone to make things simple, but you could spawn as many drones as you want. It's a plug-and-play system. You can extend it as much as you want to.
As researchers, we should focus on our research and not worry about how technology works, right? And Vicon just works every single time. With Tracker 4, we had no crashes in the last 9 months we've been using, which is amazing. We found that the network delays are slightly lesser as well, which helps us with the research we are doing, because we are using this for high-speed autonomy, where every millisecond makes a huge difference. I think it just helps having a ground truth system, especially for students, which can help them prototype things much quicker, and it can break your complicated system down into smaller chunks, where you can test each of these chunks individually and makes life just simpler and faster. I think the first thing on your list should be a Vicon motion capture system, and then you want to worry about everything else.